name is Anushka Sakodekar from the New Educational Institute. First of all, thank you to Kabral sir for organizing this program for class 10 students. It was really fun. We learned new short tricks to solve math and science problems, which made it a lot easier to solve such problems, and we enjoyed a lot. A lot of doubts were cleared and the program was really interactive. I think it's really beneficial for us. Thank you so much Atmaram sir for taking this session. I would love to see more sessions like this. Thank you so much. This is Prata Nitin Kakolkar from Sarvodaya Educational Society's High School. First of all, I would like to thank Sir Kabral for organizing this session for us and to Sir Atmaram for conducting this session. This session is really very helpful as we will be able to solve MCQs question based in our first term examination. The short tricks really help us to solve these MCQs.
My name is Ravindra Bhavan Churchorem. I study in the New Educational Institute. I would like to thank Sir Kabral for organizing this session. This session was really beneficial for us as many of our doubts got cleared and we got a lot of new tips and tricks to solve MCQ based maths questions. And even it was quite beneficial for science. Over there also we got a lot of tricks, and I would like to thank Sir Atmaram for conducting this entire session. Thank you.
I'm Fiza Mullah from Garden Ninja High School. This session was very helpful. Atmaram sir's teaching was amazing. The way he made our difficulties clear was totally understandable. He explained trigonometry as easy as possible with the tricks. It was nice to be part of this session.
My name is Absha Fernandez from Our Lady of Perpetual Succor Convent High School. I want to thank Sir Atmaram Gaonkar for clearing our doubts in maths and science and for teaching us new tricks how to remember the formulas. The session was much interactive, which made it a lot too enjoyable. Thank you sir for teaching us the tricks which will be helpful for the upcoming MCQ exam.
I'm Kirti Navle from the New Educational Institute. First of all, I would like to thank Atmaram sir for this amazing session which was held for 3 days, and the way he interacted with students was so comfortable, so that student felt so comfortable to ask any type of doubts. And the way he made such a difficult chapter, he actually explained it very well, so that so that a student can recognize it faster. And thank you so much. The session was really helpful.
It was a very nice session. So thank you for organizing this session. Radha Kapoor. MCQ आमच्या खातीर फर्स्ट टायम आशिल्ली आनी सरान इतले 100 MCQs बी आमकां सेंड करतले सर घरा पावतकच. सो थँक्यू सर. आनी आफ्टर अ लॉंग टायम आमी मेळ्ळी प्रिलिम्सांत आमचे जांचे जाले तांकां रिविजन सुद्दां जालें. सरान इजी मेथड दाखयले कशे कॉन्सेप्ट्स लर्न करपाचे. सो वन्स अगेन थँक्यू. First of all, thank you to you sir for organizing this session for class 10 students, and thank you to Atmaram sir for taking this session. It was really helpful. It was an interactive session and we learned a lot of new short tricks to solve math and science problems, which made a lot easier to solve such problems. So I loved the session and it was really beneficial for us. Thank you so much. Anushka Sakodekar. My name is Fiza Mullah. Atmaram sir's teaching was amazing. The way he made us difficulties clear was totally understandable. He made the trigonometry lesson as easy as possible with his tricks. The session was very helpful. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I'm telling. He solved my difficulties. Like after the sessions, I used to go and talk with him. He solved my difficulties, and he explains very good. Even though the students are talking among themselves, still Sir has a patience to teach us, and that's very good quality of Sir. So I appreciate him, and thank you sir for